Embracing the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, has already driven efficiency, better informed decisions, and innovative business models in many companies. Taking the first step to unlocking IIoT potential, remote monitoring of connected products increases speed of service and asset uptime, delivers improved MTTR, lowers service delivery costs from fewer service visits, and more. Leveraging the benefits of remote monitoring can prevent service organizations from defaulting to sending out field service teams to attend complex equipment. This is, after all, the most expensive option, especially when teams must be dispatched more than once. With key information and dashboards, you'll have the data you need to understand customer equipment performance and its performance over time. Avoid and solve problems before they happen, and move away from the reactive break-fix service model to proactive service. Complete repairs before the customer even knows about a problem by seeing, analyzing, and making necessary changes right from your office with remote access and control and remote software management, and access to service history and data-driven performance insights mean that you'll enjoy up to 30% fewer truck rolls, up to a 50% reduction in mean time to repair, and up to 66% fewer service requests. Imagine what that translates to in monetary terms: $1 million savings per year. As you might imagine, the benefits of remote monitoring extend beyond your business into your customer experience as well. With less downtime, a higher first-time fix rate, and more remote, proactive maintenance, customer satisfaction and renewal rates with your organization will rise. Implementing a remote asset monitoring program to provide real-time intelligence to your business is a proven first step in achieving your goals. An industry leader providing documented ROI, robust applications and support, and quick and easy implementation, PTC is truly the optimal partner for your IIoT success.